Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to show you another demo or sample application where you can practice test automation using different test automation tools that are there in the market. That sample demo application is none other than demowebshop.tricentis.com. Tricentis is providing this demo application for you to practice. It's in open state. That means anyone can go to this website and practice test automation here. So let's explore this application a bit. So you can click on this logo and a lot of features. Homepage is coming. Then you can go and register here. You can, after registering, you can log in with the registered credentials. Okay. You can search for the products here. Then you can add them to the cart, or you can add them to the wish list, and you can check out all those stuff. And you have different categories of products on this application, like books are there, computers are there. Okay, different subcategories are there: electronics, apparel, jewelry, gift cards. So many things are there, guys. And you can also see the footer options having lot of other options, like social media options. Okay, the my account, where you can edit all your account details and all. Okay, you can track. Order management system is there, or tracking system is there. You can address storing and editing or updating or adding multiple address options is there. Then a lot of other things are there, like, sitemap of this, where you can see different links of different things that are there on the application for different pages on the application. Contact us functionality, about us, many other stuff is there, guys. You can see lot of functionalities are there. You can use this. Okay, you see, practicing automation using different automation tools may require a lot of real-time knowledge. Okay, if you automate more applications, that much more knowledge you will get in test automation on that different test automation tools. Since this application has a lot of features, okay, you can choose this for your practice purpose. Okay, for practicing test automation purpose. So for such more kind of updates, you can check the pinned comment of this video. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.